for he will order his angels to protect you wherever you go. Psalm 91:1. Angels are assigned to you. Miracles are coming your way. Healing is being released. Something good is about to happen for you. Watch this video till the end. Declaim miracles in your life. God is saying to you today, it's time for you to smile again. Never forget, you are not alone in this. Let me help you. My angels are with you. Already, relax and just trust me. I have amazing plans for you. In fact, that is why you need to get excited again, because the plans I have for you are greater than you could ever ask or think. The best is yet to come. Type 11 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, don't give up. I know you're under attack in your finances, your health, and your relationships. That is just a sign that you are close to your breakthrough. The enemy has declared war against you and your family, but I have declared peace, victory, healing, and blessings over your life. And my word is final. Get up and start your day. Be encouraged, because the blessing you've been praying for is at your doorstep. Just open the door. God is saying to you today, I'm renewing your strength, even though anxiety fills your heart. I am giving you everlasting peace. You will make it through this. The best is yet to come. God is saying to you today, never forget that I am always with you through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in blessings and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. God is saying to you today, there is a shift coming that is going to push you into your destiny. Blessings are coming your way. I am going to unleash a double portion of blessings in favor in your life for all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches, and setbacks you may have endured. I have a blessing for you. God is saying to you today, don't even think about giving up. You're going to make it, no matter what it looks like right now. I know you're worried about your finances, your health, and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory. If you don't quit, I'm going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Get ready for your blessings. Type 2222. Affirms this. God is saying to you today, my child, you're worrying too much. Remember who I am. There is nothing too hard for me. You please donate us $100 to support our community. May not see it, but I have everything planned out for you. God is saying to you today, I have not forgotten you. I know where you are, and I know how to get you to where you need to be. Even when things don't go the way you planned, my hand is on you. Do not be afraid. I'm working behind the scenes on your behalf, and I will lead you into a life of blessings, purpose, and favor. God is saying to you today, trust me. I've stayed with you through every storm in your life. I've given you all that you need. I have and always will protect you, your family, and your loved ones. Things may be difficult for you right now, but just trust in my timing. A change in your circumstances is coming. I love you. Be encouraged. But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Isaiah 40:31. God is saying to you today, you are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationships. I am doing something new in your life. God is saying to you today, I know you are physically and emotionally drained, but you have to keep going. I'll see you through. You're going to make it. You and your family will be just fine. Just stand and let me fight this battle. Type 555. To affirms this, God is saying to you today, the battle is not yours, it's mine. Whenever you feel like giving up and you can't seem to pick yourself up, remember that your strength comes from me. Don't you dare give up. I have amazing things in store for you. God is saying to you today, it's time for you to forget the past. Forget the mistakes and focus on what I'm doing in your life. Today I'm doing a new thing. I'm placing the right people in your life and removing the wrong ones. I'm closing old doors and preparing you for new opportunities. The pruning process may be uncomfortable and painful, but no, it's for your good. God is saying to you today, the blessing coming is even bigger than you were thinking. Watch how I bring you through this storm and restore everything you have lost. God is saying to you, today I know you have been struggling for a long time, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. You have a good heart, and people have a be used. You, in many ways, the devil has tried to make you lose your mind. You have been betrayed in many ways. Yet you stand in the midst of your storms. You are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon that is formed against you to prosper. Fear not. I'm going to turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemies. Psalm 138:8 says the Lord will work out his plan for your life. God knows how to get you to where you're supposed to be. You don't have to live worried or frustrated if you'll trust him. God will open the right doors, he'll bring the right people, and he'll turn problems around. God has armed you with strength for every battle. He said, no weapon formed against you will ever prosper. You haven't seen, heard, or imagined the amazing things God has in store. Believe today that things are changing in your favor. God's done it in the past, and he will do it again in the future. Type 777 affirms this. When people are talking about you, don't worry, God hears it. He's your defender, and he will prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemies. The very ones that are trying to hold you down, they will see you in a position of honor. That's your defender going to work. God is saying to you today, the best is yet to come. I have felt the anxiety, the anguish, the confusion, and your pain. I have seen the tears you have shed for every teardrop and for every sleepless night. I have a blessing for you. The pain you are feeling is coming to an end. Blessing, solution, and divine favor are coming your way. God is saying to you today, I have heard your prayers. I can feel your pain. I know that you may not understand all that I allow, but I am always in complete control out of your hurt and disappointments. I will bring great joy and blessings. I need you to hang on during these difficult days. Everything is going to be all right. Place your trust in me like never before. Be still and know that I am God. God is bringing you out of this situation with his mighty hand. There won't be the slightest hint of the residue of trouble left on you. You will come through this unscathed. You won't look like what you've been through. You'll just look like an example of God's glory and favor. Type 999 affirms this. God is saying to you today, hold on to your faith. You have to believe when there's no sign. Just because you don't see anything happening on the outside doesn't mean something is not happening on the inside. It's not over. Walk by faith and not by sight. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Trust me, I love you. It is great to know what desire from each person, but it is necessary to live the way. Desire for each person. I don't just want you to know that living away from sin is good, and it's what I desire, but I want you to actually live that way. It is easier said than done, but if you commit your life to me every day, it can be done. God is saying to you today in life, you have to accept that some people will not be for you. They are not necessary for you to fulfill your purpose. The most important thing you can do is guard your heart. Don't let the offense, the bitterness affect you. You do your part, and God will do his part. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Trust me, type 1010. To affirms this, God is saying to you today, don't give up praying to God. Pray with faith and with a clear mind. The Lord hears what is not spoken and understands that which is not explained. For his love does not work on the lips or in the mind, but on the heart. Things will get better, believe it. That closed door was not a rejection, but a redirection to something bigger and better. Don't look back. God has something amazing in your future. Trust Him through each chapter. God is saying to you today, I am the God of hope. Even in the midst of challenges and uncertainties, hold on to the hope. I offer trust in my promises, for I am faithful. I will bring beauty out of ashes and turn your trials into testimonies in a world filled with noise. Find strength in God. Through your silence, you can discover inner strength by embracing moments of quietness. Take time to connect with God in your silence, allowing His presence to bring peace to your heart and mind amidst the chaos. Find solace in the stillness, and let your inner calm become a source of strength through your moments of sight. Silence, let God's comforting presence guide you with strength and assurance. God is saying to you today, so many things change in life, but there remains a constant, the light I've placed within you. This beacon of hope, love, and resilience shines brilliantly. Even in the shadows, it is a reflection of my eternal love for you, offering guidance through both joy and sorrow. As you journey forward, trust in this inner light, for it not only brightens your path but also serves as an inspiration for those around you, reminding all of the divine warmth and affection that illuminates every step.